Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble a hellebore flower. And it's actually quite simple. So I've cut out my templates here from my template design. And then, so this one is a little bit complicated, so I cut it on my cutting machine, but theoretically you could also do this by hand. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to curl the petals. And I want more of a gentle curl, so I'm going to use the softer side of my scraper. If you don't have a scraper, you can always just use, any sort of straight edge, like a credit card or some scissors. But so you just want to glue this in a circle. You can use either hot glue gun or tacky glue. I frequently use a tacky glue, but hot glue gun glues a little bit faster, so I can go a little bit faster in these tutorials. So after you glue them in the circle, then you just want to position them and roughly see where the petals will overlap. Put a dab of glue down. And then sort of glue it in place with the petals overlapping. And then in terms of the circle piece, I like to first do the tiers all together. I just want to make sure I can get the petals to overlap as much as possible. Okay, and then for this last part, this works best with the hot glue gun because it dries so much faster, but I like to just put a generous sort of circle of glue down. And then I take this, place it in the center, and then I kind of push it down and just hold it there for a second. That creates sort of like a nice indentation so that the centerpiece is flush with the rest of the petals.